Good morning, class, and welcome to our mathematics for grade 8. Before we start, I want you to show our learning objectives for today. At the end of the lesson, the students should be able to first identify different types of number patterns, increasing, decreasing, repeating, growing with at least 90% of accuracy. The next one, you have to analyze and describe the rule of a given number pattern within 5 minutes. And lastly, generate a 5-term number pattern and explain its rule in 2 to 3 sentences, submitting their output before the end of the online session. Welcome to our mathematics class. Today, our lesson is all about generates pattern or generating a patterns. And now, let's move forward to our engaging activity. Do you believe, class, that patterns are everywhere? In nature, music, and even in your daily routine. And today's lesson is all about generating patterns. Now, let's test your observation skills. What do you notice in these numbers? Correct. The numbers are increasing by 2. This is what we call a pattern, a sequence that follows a rule. And this simple activity prepare us for today's lesson on a number patterns and their rules. For our activating knowledge, which is the bridge to a new learning, let's recall. Before we differ, let's recall what we already know. I will give you 3 short number sequences, and your job is to tell me what you think is happening in each pattern. And you have 1 minute to type your answers in the chat box. Okay, your timer is up. Great job! These ideas will help you understand larger and more complex patterns. For letter A, we have increasing, for letter B, decreasing, and for letter C is repeating. And for our developing competencies, which is the presentation of the concept, and we have 4 common types of number patterns. The first one is increasing pattern. The numbers goes up. The second one is decreasing pattern. The numbers goes down. And the third one, we have repeating pattern, which is the sequence repeat. And lastly, we have growing pattern. It is the change between terms increases. And remember, every pattern follows a rule, and your task is to identify or create that rule. And the next one, we will have individual online work. And I'll flash 3 number patterns, and you are going to identify the rule and send your answer only to me via private message. So you have 1 minute to answer the following patterns. Your timer starts now. Okay, your time is up. So now let's check if our answers are correct. For number one, we just have to add 3 because we are given of 3, 6, 9, and 12. For number 2, our given is 100, 95, 90, 85, and 80. And as we can see or as we observed, we just have to subtract 5 on each term. And lastly, for number 3, we have 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. And we just have to add 3, 5, 7, and so on each term. Or we have to squares the number. Now, let's analyze something more challenging. Look closely. So now, think about the rule. What could be happening here? Type your answer in the chat box. So, each number is the sum of the previous two numbers. Excellent effort in this rule, and this activity trains your critical thinking. For your final activity, we have show me your pattern. So for our task instructions, we have first, create a 5-term number pattern. Second one, write the rule. The third one, explain your pattern in 2 to 3 sentences. And the last one, you have to submit your answer via Google Classroom before the session ends. So example, pattern. We have 4, 9, 14, 19, and 24. Ang rule natin is we just have to add 5 on each term. And your explanation, it should be like this. I added 5 to each term, so the sequence increase in equal steps. Before we end, let's see if you can identify this rule quickly. Type your answer in the chat box. Now, let's check your answers. We have differences grow. We just have to add 6, add 9, and add 14. Great work today, class. You actively participated even though we are online, and I'm very proud of your performances. Please remember to submit your pattern via Google Classroom. And for your assignment, find an example of a pattern in real life. It could be objects, nature, schedules, designs, and describe its rule. Also submit this assignment via Google Classroom. Once again, class, thank you so much for participating in our class. Thank you, class, and have a great day. You can now leave the meeting.